Oh! Okay, we lost the whole thing.
Hello, what a beautiful day. Here we are in southern Sweden, building a big recording studio in an even bigger barn. Kind of getting used to my new voice. Still a little bit hoarse, but the sun is shining. Actually, the sun's just gone behind a little cloud. But yeah, generally, this week's going to be good weather. Ferdy and I are going to be fitting ventilation this week with a bit of luck. The solar guys are going to be fitting the rest of the solar panels on the roof. Tommy is going to finish the greenhouse base with a bit of luck. Elsa is moving rocks. Jamie is going to finish the plastering as he goes home on Saturday morning. So this is it, 5 more days of plastering. What a beautiful day. Thank you very much for all of the new members and subscribers. Yeah, we really appreciate your support. It's totally amazing that you're also into this. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and let's get going. It kind of looks as white as the other one.
No, that looks much better.
Okay, I haven't been doing much filming of Jamie because last week was all about Jamie and he doesn't need 2 videos, but he is just finishing off the last wall in the studio and we're on a bad light cam because I'm on my phone, but here he is. Finally taking the scaffolding down. Okay, we're just here discussing this very scrappy looking plan we have here. These things that say LD, they are these sound muffler boxes, and as it stands we have, this is such a mess, because the guy who's ordered these has ordered the wrong one of the wrong sizes. It means we're going to have to move one of these boxes from being on a 200mm vent pipe to this branch, which is a 160mm vent pipe. And that led us to discuss where actually do these boxes need to go, because what they do, I believe, is they stop sound getting through these huge 200mm wide holes in the wall through the pipe into the other room. So basically you need a muffler between each room. And we're wondering if this muffler here is even necessary, because sound coming in from here goes down this pipe. It's going to hit a muffler here before it goes into any of this stuff. And it's also going to hit a muffler here before it goes out into the lab. So it's kind of not really necessary.
Also, if there's sound here,
Yeah.
so you need a muffler here.
Yeah. Either we don't bother with that one and we put it in here, like he said originally. That's a 160, that's a 160. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Yeah.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. So in that case, then we have to leave this one out. We do this thing again here.
Do we need this one?
it's just about a visual thing. What do we have? Oh, I forgot like this.
Oh, fuck. Okay, we lost the whole thing.
Well, we're just installing another, are they called mufflers? I don't know what they're called. Die Studio Auspuff. Einpuff, because it's in, right? Einpuff und Auspuff. Yeah.
Sorry, impatient.
That is loads of cow shit and compost going into the flower bed. Whew. That's the end of Friday. Ah, what a week that has been. Bit of a strange one. But loads and loads has happened, and we're halfway through putting in the ventilation system, which is, yeah, I mean, now it really feels not like just a barn anymore. Once I say goodbye on this video, then I'm going to film the members only special edition Friday night. Exclusive behind the scenes content. So if you want to see those videos, then you can join our channel membership drive by clicking the little join button below, and yeah, you can get all that extra stuff. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Look after each other, lots of love, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.